Hi guys, Ian here from Pinometry.com and welcome back to our channel. And today we will be doing the unboxing and hands-on review of the Huawei FreeBuds Lite. The Huawei FreeBuds Lite took its cues from the previously released Huawei FreeBuds, and it's going to be in the same space as the Apple Airpods 2. For sure, it's going to be a promising go-to device for fitness enthusiasts and active users in general. Before anything else, please hit the subscribe button or hit the bell icon to see more unboxing, review, and tech launching videos. Let's start the unboxing and hands-on of these true wireless earphones. The Huawei FreeBuds Lite comes with a clean, white, and squarish box. Opening it, you'll be greeted with an oval-shaped charging case that is wrapped in plastic. Underneath it comes another box that houses the warranty information, the manual, a microUSB cable, and extra bud rings of varied sizes. It also comes with one pair of detachable silicone rubber rings. Going back to the main unit, the Huawei FreeBuds Lite are tucked inside the charging case. The case features a microUSB port, a function button, and an LED indicator. Design-wise, the earphone's build quality is very stylish and minimalist at the same time. The white case and the earphones definitely come with a premium feel. The earphones are made up of high-grade polycarbonate plastic, while the case features magnetic pins to secure the earphones in its cradle. The FreeBuds Lite comes with a sleek design philosophy. The earbud itself has a primary microphone and another mic for noise cancellation. If you want to power on the device, you'll need to press and hold the function button for 2 seconds while the earphones are inside the charging case. The LED indicator will flash in blue color. This also means that your FreeBuds Lite are ready to be paired. When pairing the device, you need to open the charging case while the earphones are inside the cradle. Again, you'll have to press and hold the function button for about 2 seconds until the indicator flashes blue. This would mean that your FreeBuds are in pairing mode. Pairing it the first time, you just have to pull up your Bluetooth list and choose the FreeBuds Lite. Once connected, you're all set. When playing music, you can just double tap the right earphone to pause or play or skip to the next track. Its sound quality is great. The bass is very clear but not to the point that it's overpowering. It also registers well in higher frequencies as well as the mid ones. When taking calls, you can just double tap the FreeBuds to answer or reject calls. Huawei said that the FreeBuds Lite has a 12-hour battery life. In our test, it hit the mark around that figure. The Huawei FreeBuds Lite is a very promising device that offers a truly wireless connectivity. It is positioned to be a competitor to the newly released Apple Airpods 2. It is very straightforward to use, but the experience could be better if you're using a Huawei phone. Nevertheless, it's still a great workout companion. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing and hands-on video, and as always, see you in the next one!